Have you ever wanted to live in a real farmhouse built in 1898 and yet updated to today's standards on 10 acres with a pond, a number of outbuildings, including our huge wired workshop? If so, you're going to want to check out this video, folks. My name's Armand, realtor with Team Armand EXP Realty. Please like, comment, subscribe to our channel to be the first to receive news about what's going on in the market here in the Triangle, North Carolina area. And you're going to want to stick and stay to the end of this video to hear about the hidden benefit of living here at 214 Barnwell. Bought 214 Barnwell in 1983 and proceeded to renovate and expand with love and caring. They absolutely kept the whole aspect of it being an 1898 farmhouse. You can see it in every square foot of the house. Take a look at this kitchen, folks. It's much larger than you usually get with an actual real farmhouse. This part is an addition to the house. There is a primary here on the main and 3 fireplaces. Check it out. Glad you waited to see this. Welcome to Shangri-La. Literally, this is the Shangri-La Village. It is literally right around the corner from 214 Barnwell, right off the side of the road here on NC 86. It is the handiwork and dream of Henry L. Warren, who has since passed away. This was his life's work. He created this amazing stone village day by day, all his life. Shangri-La Village is free and open to the public, so stop by any time. But most importantly, contact me for more information about 214 Barnwell in Prospect Hill, North Carolina. And whether you're looking to purchase a home in the next 9 days or 9 months, contact us. We're happy to help. Our full contact information is below. Thanks a lot.